Hello everyone, my name is Yuying and I'm from the Renov. Today I'm gonna show you how to do a 360 renders, or you call it a panorama render in 3ds Max and Corona render. So in here I have a very simple scene, just a room, and I'm using a Corona sun and Corona sky to light up my scene. And everything, and apply a clay material just for quick review. So to create a 360 degrees renders, you need to follow two simple steps. The first is you need to open your render setup and concern about your output size in the command tab. So in here, your image aspect gotta equal to 2.0, which means the size of your width will double the size of your height. So when you press on the lock like this, it will keep your image aspect as 2. So whenever you increase this number, one of this number, the other number will follow in. So in here I just keep them as 2000 and 1000. And the second step is you need to create a camera and set them as a spherical type. So in here I'm going to create camera standard, and I'm using a Corona camera here, and I'm just simply draw them wherever I want it. So you choosing the camera, and in your modify tab you go into a tab called projection and VR, and the type here you choose spherical 360 degree. So now this will become a spherical type camera. And one more thing, you gotta turn off your target here. Okay, and for the final is the position of your camera. You should put it in the middle of your room. Also, you have to put them like in the middle of your room, so about this height. So this is the height of your room. So when I press the C, you will see, okay, in the middle of your room. Okay, as simple as that. And now I will open my render setup. This is already set to 3.5, and I'll just hit the render button. Okay, so I'm gonna see you back when it's all rendered out. Alright everyone, I'm back here with a render. So this is my render. This is done. And at this point you're gonna run one more script to create a final 360 degree render. So that script is Panorama exporter, and actually you can download it from the Corona render website in the script section, and here they have the Panorama exporter, so you can download it here. Now I'm already download that script, so I'm gonna run the script here. I'm gonna choose Panorama exporter, and then here is the name. This is the path to your final folder. So I go to the stop and make the new folder. I call it a Panorama. Okay, and I'm gonna pick a JPEG file, which I already saved them here. And for the JPEG quality, I'm gonna go up to 100, and in here there are some options. You can check or uncheck them to show Corona logo. If you don't want, you can turn it off. View rotate automatically at 0.1. If you don't want it to automatically rotate, you can turn it off. If you want, you can turn this on. And this is for enable zoom in. So just leave this check here and I press generate files. Okay, now I'm gonna go to my desktop, Panorama, and here is the generate file, and when I open it, with this one you have to open it with I think it's a Firefox, or open with this one. See, so this is your final. You can enable them when you scroll your mouse like this. Okay, I'm gonna create another one. Panorama rotate. Alright, so this time I am gonna choose the rotate, but this time I'm gonna enable this one so for you can see the difference. Alright, so rotate. You also have the link here. You open it with a Microsoft Edge, and you see it will automatically rotate for you. Okay, enable zoom. Okay, so how about posting this image on Facebook? Very simple. This is your final image. You're gonna change a little bit in their properties, so choose them, right click, properties, and in the details here for the camera maker and camera model, you're gonna change them a little bit. So this is, I call it recall, and in here I am gonna change them to recall the S. Alright, so apply. Okay, so when I upload this image on the Facebook, it will automatically become a 360 degrees. Okay, so you can see it. Very simple. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.